Hey, how you all doing? I've been working on the stair platform, so stairs will come off of that. I'm going to make the treads into like a H shape and put some ply on top. Because I've got 12 or so to make, I am going to make a jig up for it. Just a simple thing, but it'll make it easy and repeatable. I'm biasing the cross member forward a little bit for reasons. So that's the jig welded up. You kind of see how that's going to work. So 2 clamps and then that one for each piece. So that's what you end up with, just one like that. And here's the jig ready to have the pieces put in. So that goes in there, that one goes in there. I think you need to clamp that red one down a bit more. And put the piece in there. Check it for square, see if it's moved. Get it welded, huh? Pretty cool, right? So pressing on with the stairs, I drew this out on SolidWorks and cut it on my laser cutter. We set it like that, put one each side. I've moved this one down already, and then you're able to quickly get an idea where you need to be with the next tread, and then you can use the little level. Taught Scarlett what this is the other day. That was quite cool. Yeah, use the little engineering level just to tweak it and get them welded in. So that's all the steps welded in. Way over engineered this. Just going to run some more welds around that, and then we'll start thinking about handrails and such. It's got Josh painting. I did do some painting too, but then my arm started to hurt, so I had to stop. Got these foot plates put on as well. It is going to have handrails welded on, but I'm going to do that after the fact once they're in place. So they're going to go, let me get it on widescreen. So they're going to kind of go level with that. So then they'll come down here, and I'm going to wall off that whole area. And then in the same way that I've put I nearly tripped over my boots. In the same way I put that extension across there, I'm going to extend across there. So the handrails will form. They'll probably be bolted together and everything, but it's just going to make more sense to do it later. But getting the paint on today, last thing, it means that we can get the stair treads on. Josh went and got some timber for that cut down to 200. So all we've got to do is chop it down to 500s for each of these, which will be fine. That'll be fine. Dried off well overnight. Start getting them in position now, see how they look. Well, we're getting our situation situated. Josh has just gone off to get some screws to put these treads on with, and then we'll be well away. Well, they're all on real nice. Feels like just like a normal set of stairs, hey? Just a handrail. I'm going to do platform next, I think. Get that up and then put handrail. I've got that little extension installed, painted and installed. That looks quite nice. Doing handrails another day though. Put some handrails on that side piece there. And that's as far as I got. I edited the video together just now and realised that I hadn't put any kind of outro, whatever you call it. But anyway, back to work for a little while. Look at this classic. What do you think of that? Mondeo. Anyway guys, thanks for stopping by. See you next time.